Onana, Isi Kurubia, Onana, Amore Kurubia, Onana, Wajoro Kurubia, Onana, Oriam Kurubia, Onana, Oriam Kurubia, Onana, Ayanaba.
God says He is taking over so that you can take over. When you sang that song, He said He is taking over so that you can take over. It seems that they have overtaken you. It seems as if they have planned, they have orchestrated their own. But God said that He is taking over.
Thank you, Holy Spirit.
So that He can launch you to another realm for you to take over. So you are taking over from now. It is possible you have been the least in your family. You have been the least where you are working. You have been the least in whatever you are doing. But God said you are taking over from now.
I cannot do it on my own.
Malakataya.
When you just take over, I cannot.